Winter is here. I love going outside and feeling the frosty air against my cheeks. It's so refreshing and invigorating. As the world begins the hustle and the bustle of the winter holidays, here in the mountains, the earth is already beginning its slumber. It's so quiet and still. In the distance, there are faint voices, but my attention goes to the sound of the snow against my feet. Every year, I'm always in awe by the transformation these mountains take. And I feel as if I've stepped into a magical world where anything can happen. To bring some of that magic home, I decided to get some discarded pine branches from a local Christmas tree lot. Interestingly, in previous years, I would tie the pine branches together to form a wreath, not taking care of whether I broke or crushed the pine needles. This year, however, I find myself treasuring these leftover branches like they were special gifts. They bring such a wonderful presence and smell to a home. While sitting under a tree, I decided to make a base for a wreath using fallen twigs. As you can see, I am not especially great at tying these twigs together, but I am determined to give my special pine branches a good home. Especially during the holidays, during the colder seasons, my thoughts continually turn towards home. We all want to go to that place we call home, to somewhere warm and comforting, where we are accepted and loved despite our flaws. Yet I know that not all of us have that place. And even if we did have that place, and there is that someone who would welcome us with open arms, sometimes circumstances do not allow us to go home. For several years, I have not been able to return home for Christmas. But as I've started my own traditions, following the pattern that nature has set of slowing down, resting, and spending time in deeper contemplation, I've been able to move through this holiday season with more joy and peace, being grateful for the time of reflection instead of focusing on the lack. So no matter your circumstances, whether you are spending Christmas alone, with a large family, or a kind roommate, may your holiday be filled with joy and light. Until next time, please take care of yourself.